Hey everyone, welcome back to elielsmile. Today, I'm going to show you how to make electricity jump through the air. No wires, just pure science. We're creating a wireless power system that can light up a bulb from a distance. Pretty cool, right? Stay tuned and I'll break down exactly how
To make this experiment, you'll need a copper coil, about 10 turns, a transistor and a resistor, a power source, a 9-volt battery, and another coil with a small LED bulb. That's all. Simple components that can do something mind-blowing.
Now let's build the transmitter coil. Connect the copper wire to the transistor and the resistor, powered by the 9-volt battery. This creates a magnetic field that oscillates very fast. Next, make a second coil. That's your receiver. When it's close enough, it picks
Time
up
for the magic moment. Watch this. When I bring the receiver coil close to the transmitter, boom, the light turns on without any wires. That's electromagnetic induction in action, the same principle used in wireless chargers and electric cars.
So how does this work? The first coil creates a changing magnetic field. That field passes through the air and induces current in the second coil. It's the same science Nikola Tesla used when he dreamed of powering the world without wires.
To try. But real wireless power systems use strong magnetic fields, so always be careful. You can use this same principle to charge phones, run small robots, or even power LEDs in art projects.
That's it. You just made wireless electricity. If you love mixing science and technology, hit that like button and subscribe to elielsmile, where we turn crazy ideas into reality every week.